Welcome to a tour of the two-queen bed Reef Villa at the Waldorf Astoria, Maldives. Right here is some water you can use to rinse the sand off your feet. Here we have a swing bed, some tables, chairs, and the private swimming pool. We've got these overwater nets and this ladder that goes into the ocean. Walking inside, you'll notice the vaulted ceilings, complimentary fruits and wine, mini bar. They put some birthday decors on my bed and a cake on the desk. We're walking through the closet area. Soaking tub with Aesop amenities and a bath bomb. Double vanity. Auto opening toilet. Indoor shower and outdoor shower. Here's a view of the villa from the outside.